Hi, so today I'm going to show you guys a resource I really love. This is Newsela.com. This is a reading resource for students, teachers, and classes as a whole. So when I say classes as a whole, I'm going to show you. If we go to settings, jump over here to classes, I can click this link here to invite students, and it'll give me a link as well as a class code to share with my students. I can give them one or both of these. They would plug this information into their own Newsela accounts, which they would create on their own, and it would kind of conjoin those accounts to where they can go onto their own Newsela account independently and be able to look at different assignments I want to assign them. So we'll look at an example of that. See, I already have this assigned to my sample class, L. Simmons Reader, so I'll go ahead and take that off. I'll show you. Now I just click here, Assign. Go down to L. Simmons Readers, confirm that I want to assign this article, and it gives me a confirmation you've just assigned this article to L. Simmons Readers. So this is the article, Endangered Madagascar Lemurs to be Tracked by Facial Recognition Software. So this automatically gave me the article that is at a grade level 7 reading level. If I had younger students, I could click here on the right, and it would give me grade level 3. The word choice would be a little bit more easy for young readers to follow, as well as the text complexity. If I had older students, I could jump up here to the max, which as you can see is grade level 12. It can also be translated into Spanish for English language learners who speak Spanish, or if you're in a Spanish language class. I can assign a writing prompt here. Perhaps if I wanted to assign a writing assignment as homework after students read the article. There's also a quiz for each article. So these quizzes are aligned with the Common Core anchor standards, which is also really neat. So it tells you for each question which anchor standard it is kind of quizzing you on. And through the Newsela Pro resources, I would be able to track students' progress broken down by anchor standards, which ones are doing well on, which ones they need to work on more, as well as that same information for classes as a whole. I do not have access to the Pro resources, but if you are a teacher or plan to use this resource as a teacher in the future, many times schools or school districts will sign up for Newsela themselves, and then you would have access to these resources through your school district. And if you were a student, you would come right up here to Binder, and you'd be able to see here under Assignments which articles had been assigned by your teacher. Alright, so this has been a kind of a basic overview of some of the features available on Newsela.com. If you're interested in using this yourself, I would encourage you to come take a look, because there's a lot more to it that I wasn't able to get to, and I think you'll really enjoy it. Alright, thank you.